the time, too, thanks to the bunny mobile. Oh, yeah. Stealth mode. Let's go. You are jumpy. I meant, ah, that's cool. Or, ah, look at that thing I'm not scared of right there. Or, ah, there's a candy wrapper on the ground. See, it's just a thing I do. Ah.
Stupid tiger!
There he is. Let's go. Ha.
We took him entire night. Let's go. You're wasting Sergei's time.
We gotta do something. Come on.
We try again tomorrow. If Tiger does not do trick, Tiger will become rag. Of your sight. Of your sight.
It's okay, who? It's me, Daisy, from the plane.
Hey, step away from that
Dragon.
Mind your business, wolf. Wolf. Oh. What? I said I got the keys. Come on, let's go. Go. All right. Yeah, of course. Heck yeah. Boom. You know what I learned today? Huh? Wolves are jerks.